artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing purple from Rainbow Friends. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artist. Today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, wanna say hi?
Hello.
Today we're gonna draw purple, which is one of the favorite characters of Mateo, right? From
Rainbow Friends?
It's from Rainbow Friends, and we're gonna try to do it super easy. So today we're using crayons. We're gonna use these very silky crayons, but you can use color pencils or markers or whatever you have in hand. We're gonna start this picture in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna move to the right, and we're gonna do a circle. Good. Now we're gonna do his body. He's kind of like what do you say, squatting kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go from this part of the circle, and we're gonna do kind of like a letter C shape. So we're gonna go down, okay? And now I wanna curve down here, and I wanna come back on the same shape, kind of like this much, okay? Good, perfect. Now his hands are one up and one to the ground. So let's start with the one up. We're gonna kind of like go inside this shape. We're gonna cross and we're gonna come out. And I wanna do this line double. Now this hand is open and it's stretching, and he just has 4 fingers. So I wanna start with a circle, and I wanna do 1, 2, 3, and 4 oval shapes. Pásame.
I tried to make it like the purple that is like clenching his hands, but not literally.
Oh, good job. Now we're gonna do the other hand that is coming from the front of the face, and it's gonna go down. So I'm gonna curve, and I pass this shape of the body, and I'm gonna curve back again. And this time the fingers are gonna come out. So I'm gonna do a small circle here, and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 oval shapes, okay? Okay, we're gonna add the thumb, so we have one last finger here. So these 3 are pointing to the right, this one is pointing to the left, okay?
Okay, let me just extend these real quick, because when we do the coloring, it's going to cover all the purple. So if you make a mistake, it won't show.
Exactly. Okay, now we're gonna do the legs. So one of the legs is pointing out, it's kind of like bending and pointing this way. So I wanna start from this corner. I'm gonna go up, down. Let's do it again. We're gonna come out, coming up, and down. Now for the feet, this one is kind of like wide open. It looks like almost like another hand. So we're gonna do a circle, and then we're gonna do 3 fingers pointing to the front, and the last one is gonna point to the side, okay?
These are actually his feet, but for some reason he decides, since his body is so long, he actually can't walk on 2 legs. So instead, he chooses to walk on all 4s. He's not actually a guy, he's a monster. He used to be a guy though.
Okay, the last leg we're gonna do is actually really long and crossing behind the arm. So I'm gonna go from this corner of the body, I'm gonna curve, passing really close to the face, and it's okay to cross the arm like this. Once that we color, like Mateo said, this is not gonna show. And now we're gonna do this line double. And if you see, I cross the arm and I'm going down really close to this hand, okay? But make sure that you leave a space here. So now for you, Mateo, your hand is really close to the side. That's okay. So you probably want to curve here and come down here really close to the hand. The last step we're gonna do again a circle, okay? And all the fingers are gonna be pointing to the left. So I'm gonna do 1 and 2 thin oval shapes, and the last one, which is the thumb, is a little shorter. The last thing we're gonna do is the eyes on the right side, and this just shows like half a circle. So I'm gonna do a half a circle here, okay? And now I wanna do a circle, a big circle next to this one. Good. So the last thing we're gonna do is the inside of the eye, and we're gonna change for black. And the inside of the eye is big, so we're gonna leave a little bit of a space in between the black part and the purple circle that we just did. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna fill this with black. And then on this side, I wanna do a half a circle, okay? And I wanna fill it with black. And there, that's it. We finished this purple of Rainbow Friends. And now my favorite part is coming in, that is...
let's color.
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the pictures turn out now that we put the color purple. It was an easy coloring. These crayons are actually super fun to draw with because they're so silky that you can go super fast, right? So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.